Hello, friends. Here we go. Walk the streets of Manhattan Beach and imagine your home is an architectural masterpiece created by Brooks plus Scarpa, a home where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur thanks to walls of glass and multiple balconies. Ocean breezes, panoramic coastal views, and a light-filled glass courtyard are just a small part of what awaits you. Do you want to know how aluminum screens create a unique play of light and a sky bridge connects the kitchen to the living room? Then discover this amazing home where modern design and coziness blend seamlessly. Nestled on a prime walk street in Manhattan Beach, Alma Avenue stands as a testament to innovative architectural design. This Brooks plus Scarpa masterpiece, completed in 2021, seamlessly blends indoor-outdoor living with sustainable features, creating a unique and vibrant coastal retreat. The home's most striking feature is the central glass-enclosed courtyard. This light-filled atrium serves as the heart of the residence, blurring the lines between inside and out. Imagine stepping into this tranquil space, sunlight streaming through the glass, the gentle sound of the ocean breeze in the air. It's a private oasis, a place to unwind and connect with nature right in the heart of the home. Expansive operable glass walls extend the living space outwards, opening onto multiple balconies and seamlessly merging the interior with the vibrant energy of the walk street. Imagine throwing open the glass doors and stepping onto a balcony, breathing in the fresh ocean air, the rhythmic crash of waves providing a soothing soundtrack. The panoramic coastal views stretch out before you, a constant reminder of the home's privileged location. The home's flexible layout adapts effortlessly to different needs. The main level features 4 bedrooms, including a luxurious master suite, providing easy access and comfortable living. 3 full bathrooms on this level ensure convenience and privacy. A sky bridge, a dramatic architectural element, connects the kitchen and family room to the spacious living area above, enhancing the flow and creating a unique visual connection. Imagine preparing a meal in the sleek, modern kitchen while staying connected to family and friends gathered in the living area above. The anodized aluminum screen walls, a signature touch of Brooks plus Scarpa, filter the sunlight, casting ever-changing patterns of light and shadow throughout the day, adding an artistic dimension to the living experience. Upstairs, a 5th bedroom and 3 additional full bathrooms offer a private retreat for guests or family members. The spacious living area provides ample room for relaxation and entertainment, taking full advantage of the stunning ocean views. The outdoor spaces are equally inviting. The landscaped setback at the front of the property creates a welcoming green space, a buffer from the bustling walk street. A sculpted patio with built-in seating provides a comfortable spot to relax, enjoy a morning coffee, or watch the sunset paint the sky in vibrant hues. Imagine gathering here with friends and family, the sound of the waves and the salty air creating a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. The home's modern design extends to its functionality. A 3-car attached garage provides secure parking, while a dedicated laundry room adds convenience. Although the home doesn't have a fireplace, the abundant natural light and the seamless connection to the outdoors create a warm and inviting ambiance. Built in 2021, this 3,965 square foot home represents the pinnacle of modern beach living. Situated on a 2,705 square foot corner lot, it perfectly captures the essence of Southern California living. This is a place where innovative design, sustainable living, and a prime location converge to create a truly exceptional living experience. We have completed our review of this architectural masterpiece by Brooks plus Scarpa in Manhattan Beach. Combining modern design, functionality, and stunning ocean views, this home is truly noteworthy. What do you think of this home? Did the glass courtyard or maybe the outdoor terraces overlooking the ocean impress you? Write your comment below the video. We're interested in your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new reviews of stunning homes. See you in the next video.